So what's up, momchies and friends? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's vlog, we are going to swim for the first time here in Badise in Kosvik Kotets. Kosvik is a small town west of Dresden, around 25 minutes drive from the city. Directly on the Elbe between Dresden and Meissen, with a direct connection to the Elbe cycle path on the right, you will find the Kosvik Kotets bathing lake with the adjacent camping site, Badise Kosvik Kotets. Admission is only allowed to those with daily updated test, not older than 24 hours, which you can purchase here for just €6. Alternatively, guests can bring a self-test kit with them, and the test will be carried out on the site under supervision. The Badise Kosvik Kotets has a swimming lake, an outdoor pool with extensive meadows, which offers numerous opportunities for young and old. In the 21-hectare area, the spacious lawns invite you to sunbathe. Scalp. Yay! The large natural swimming lake is with 7 hectares of water and a swimming island. Taking off the swimming badge, seahorses and youth swimming pass on request from our pool staff sales stand at the bathing lake with bathing and swimming items, depending upon the weather. This is actually our first time this year to go out like this because, as you know, we're still in pandemic, and of course there's our rules and regulations that we have to follow before we get in. So they actually have a naturbad or lake. This is the closest thing you can get here in Eastern Germany because we're very far away from Ostsee, the real beach. And they also have swimming pools and playgrounds and volleyball spielplatz. So look at those two. Where are they? Ayun na sila. They're hiding from me. They went swimming already. Ayun na sila. Yay! Hello! For order and security, they provide highly trained Badmitarbeiter or lifeguards, so each guest can feel secure under their supervision. The outdoor pool and bathing lake is open since June 1st, 2021. No admission is required. However, children under 7 years of age or those who can be proven to have recovered or who have been proven to be fully recovered and vaccinated are exempted from the obligation test. Actually, hindi siya sobrang lamig. Mas malamig dun sa naturbad sa lake. The contact details of the guests are collected, and of course, distance rule of at least 1.5 meter obligatory by the entrance area, sanitary area, and restaurant area is being observed. The outdoor pool is a wonderful combination of a natural lake with a swimming island, and a textile and a pool landscape with a 25-meter swimming pool, adventure pool with giant slide, water mushroom, waterfall shower, and floor bubbler.
I just went to their CR or water closet, and it's actually very clean. Dito lang siya in front of the lake. Ayun. I'm wondering where's Bibshi and Papshi. So from this side starts the FKK. So Papshi, what is FKK? So here starts the FKK. According to Daki, it's Freikörperkultur. So andyan yung naked beach in short. So we cannot film. So andun sa sign yung nudist area. So hindi tayo pwede doon dahil alam nyo na, shy type tayo.
They also have a huge playground with a 6-seat swing, nest swing, camel ride, and climbing wall, as well as a cable car loan of footballs, volleyballs, badminton, table tennis, bats and balls, and armbands.
Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
Yay!
There is also a children's paddling pool with a large awning for the little ones. In addition, the pool offers extensive sunbathing lawns and numerous leisure opportunities for young and old.
Whoa! She doesn't want anyone inside now.
Oh, eh? Photo na lang, photo. Ah, gusto mo solo ka? Grabe ka, ha? Yee! 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 Ayun yung beach volleyball area. May tatlo siyang court. Parang mini hills. Nakakapagod din. Oh, so yun yung natubag. And may football area pa pala dun, oh. Sa bandang likod. There. And ang football area. My crazy crazy husband, Popshi and Babeshi. So hindi kasama yung forest area, hanggang dito lang siya. Pero yung nudist beast nandun sa kabilang dulo. Meron silang mini restaurant. Sarado dito sa likod. I know, it's open here. Nandun sa labas. Sa harap. Mas maraming customer.
They also have a restaurant and a snack right by the lake.
Check out. Wala masyadong tao. Seen an ice cream vending machine. Oh my god. I'm just not allowed to eat any ice cream. It's not bad. Kimber, raspberry, chocolate. Anyway, I'm gonna try this next time.
There is also a natural and family-friendly campsite that invites you to linger.
And then, ayun yung imbis o restaurant.
Nein gesagt.
Ito yung harapan.
For inquiries and updated rules and regulations, please contact these telephone numbers.
So I hope you enjoyed our trip for today. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit the red button and the notification bell so you'll be updated. Thank you so much for watching and bis zum nächsten Mal. Tschüss.